Hello everyone, happy World Book Day! What is World Book Day? It is a day set aside each year to celebrate books, authors and reading. I want you to have a little think. What are some of your favourite books? Maybe you could let your teacher know in your Zoom today. World Book Day is about children exploring the amazing world of books and reading. Celebrations are held around the world. In the US and in more than 100 countries around the world, World Book Day is held on April the 23rd. In the UK and Ireland, World Book Day is always held on the first Thursday in March. World Book Day beginnings. World Book Day began with a decree by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. The first World Book Day was held in April in 1995, over 20 years ago. The idea for World Book Day came from the Spanish celebration of the Rose Day. It was a day where people gave each other a rose to share their love, very similar to Valentine's Day. World Book Day is a full day of fun. Here are just a few ways the world celebrates its love of books. Children dress up as their favourite book characters. Ask your teacher which character he or she would pick. Which would you pick and why? In the UK and Ireland, children are given a token and can buy a book. These will be handed out to your teachers, and your teachers can hand them out to you when you come back to school. Authors visit schools and share their love of reading. How would you suggest your class celebrates World Book Day? Maybe you could give us some suggestions for next year. Make a list of your favourite authors and books and share them on your Padlet page or with your class. Now, what's so great about books? There are so many different books and so many things that make them amazing. You can visit loads of different places, lose yourself in a book and travel to somewhere else. You can learn facts about animals or about places. They can make you happy and scared and sad. They make you use your imagination, make you feel inspired. Here's some reasons to celebrate World Book Day. 1. Books make you smarter. 2. Books are magical and you can visit other worlds and times. 3. New authors that spark your imagination. 4. Books are relaxing to read after a long day at school. 5. You can raise money for charity. And 6. You can find a special book and have a friend for life. What is your favourite book? Have a little think. Share it with someone around you. Post it on your Padlet page or tell your teacher in your Zoom session. Some different places to find your new favourite book. It's always good to explore new authors and new books. There are lots of different ways to find an exciting book. You can visit your school or local library. The librarians there would be so happy to help you find a great read. You can ask your teacher about their favourite books. You can ask your parents what their favourite childhood book was. You can ask your friends. You can even make your own book. And with your parents' permission, you can visit websites for more ideas. Right, I've got a little quiz for you now. So I want you to identify these famous characters from the books. There are going to be some clues, and I want you to let me know. Think carefully about who the words could be describing. Can you also name the book the character is from? For a bonus point, can you come up with your own exciting words to describe the character's personality? Now, you can let me know the answers by posting them on your class Padlet page or sending an email to the school, and I can see. Here's your first one. Now this character. The clues are red and white, hidden, spectacles, and surrounded. Pause the video and have a little think if you can think. What character is this? And what book are they in? This character is Where's Wally? Here's the second one. Here are your clues. purple, flamboyant, introvert, secretive, chocolate obsessed, factory owner, and imaginative. Pause the video and have a little think about who this character could be. Okay, this character is Willy Wonka from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Here's your third character. The clues are keeper, brother, flame-haired, magical, red, brave, and gold. Now this character is from one of my favourite books. Maybe that's an extra clue. Pause the video and see who you think it could be. This character is Ron Weasley from the Harry Potter series. Okay, your next character. The clues are entertaining, white, feline, messy, rhyming, and red. Pause the video and see who you think this could be. Okay, the character is Cat in the Hat. Okay, that's our quiz for today. Books and reading can be enjoyed all year round, at home as well as at school. Use your token. Go and choose either one of the Amazing World Book Day books or save some money buying a book that you've been waiting to read. We will be sending your book token home via email, or you can collect it from school when we come back to school on the 8th of March. Join the library. If you're not already a member of your local library, this is a great day to sign up. Spread the word. Can you tell at least 3 family or friends outside of school about World Book Day before the end of the day? Thank you for listening and have an amazing World Book Day and happy reading.
Make sure you check out the Masked Reader video for extra World Book Day fun.